Okay, guys, I can't find Jibi anywhere. I think I'm gonna check in here if Jibi's here. Let's see. Oh, the door's open. I don't think he's in here. Who's it? Ah, Jibi! What are you doing? What are you doing, Jibi? Jibi, tell me. Tell me, what are you doing? What are you doing? Tell me what you're doing.
I called his head clean.
What are you doing? Jibi, what have you done? Where'd you get these from?
Outside.
Why?
Yeah.
Oh my God, Jibi, look at me. Why are you standing in Henry? Oh my God, he's sitting inside Henry. Oh my God. Why are you doing this? Tell me.
I called it to do. Guys, I want to do clean and I call it to contact.
What are you doing? You cleaning? This is a bathtub. Not a Henry bathtub. This is a Jibi bathtub.
No.
Jibi. Oh my God. Okay, tell me what you want to do. I'll help you with it.
I don't need nothing to do.
Huh?
I don't need nothing. I need to do them.
You need to do what?
I need to look at George.
Oh, wow. Now, are you going to have a bath or are you going to give them a bath?
I'm free to watch. Exercise, guys. Whoa, Vicky is blowing. Wait, what was that? Oh, God, you're gonna kill me. Guys, so you know this Henry is being dirty.
It's not dirty. I think George was clean.
George is being dirty.
No.
Yes.
George was clean.
He wasn't. Nothing.
Why are you sighing Henry, Jibi?
This was everything.
Oh, there's water coming out of Henry's face. Is the water inside?
Wait.
The water's inside?
Where's it leaking from?
Yes, leaking. Look.
Oh no.
It's leaking. The water is leaking. Why do you have water in there? This was brand new, Henry, wasn't it?
What's this?
Oh my God.
I've been stuck in the Henry's running away. Let's bring Henry up now. Let's bring this Henry. We have to be Henry's mouth. Please go.
What are you doing, Jibi?
Okay. Before it leaks.
Oh, Jibi, no. What are you doing?
Is it leaking now?
No. Yes, I can see it. Little bit. I can see it.
Fine. Look at called
Why'd you turn the water off?
Oh.
Oh, the water is coming. Oh, coming.
Oh, Mommy, come here, hurry up. Wait, let me empty out. Put some soup. Some this. Is it this one? Guys, so let's put this. Okay. Honey burped.
Henny burped.
Yeah.
I can hear it too. What's the
George.
Yes,
stop.
George. It's George.
George.
George is making sound. Yes. It's George. George is making sound.
It's a bit hard. Squeeze it in.
Let me help you. Oh! Not too much.
Squab. Scrub that. Scrub everything. So guys, George needs some. Yeah, George needs some. Is that George? Oh my God. These are dangerous. those are dangerous. So we have to take them out. But it's fine. I'm reluctant, yeah. Is it muscle oil? Squish, 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 squish. Oh, Papa. Squish. That's it a lot. Close it before all the soapy, sloppy, sloppy, sloppies. That sloppy, sloppy. Is there any chair here? It's a chair. Let's sit on the floor.
What was that noise?
Henry, was that you? Naughty guy. No, the post me not water. That's why I asked for that. Snubbies. No, guys, you know my other video? You know the other which we did? And I said down below like, subscribe. And you know I see you in another challenge in a bubble bath. Did you guys see that?
Yeah.
So, squish this. Scrubby, scrubby. Scrubby. I'm having Henry challenge.
Oh my god, you scrubbed everything on yourself too.
Can someone wait? We don't need water on yet. What is water? Water. So let's buy Henry Cosmo. Put in the office. Hi George, you are dirty now. Clean
Oh
it.
my god, look at the dust.
Wait,
Yes.
this has been on. This is not funny. Look at that. Okay. Put it like this. You know if you put if you hang it like that. So I don't know what's that thing up there. So let's just put this on. It's not coming out. I think I need a different one. Oh, it came out.
Okay, let me add a little bit from here. Happy?
Happy.
Okay.
I know I'll use different one. Use that one then.
You need to add a little bit of water. Hold on.
No, I don't need some water. I don't.
Just a little bit. So it can be spongy. Not spongy, slippery.
Slippery, yeah.
Yeah.
Then I can drop in the floor. I need some buckets. I need a bucket full of water. So guys, is it this one? Is it
Yeah,
that
that's the cold one. The left one is the hot one.
one? I like
I'm just gonna do the shower curtain because I don't want water on me.
I need some
Silly Jibi. Did you put shampoo on the outside of Georgie?
Yeah, look. Yeah, now I need to put on. Now it's a bit bubbly. So this is called blockage hose. Where does it go? I'm going away. Nothing ran away. Henry, he's on bridge. Ah! The fin is not sniped in the head of myself.
No, the water's gonna come out. Water's gonna come out. No,
Where?
on the floor. You already made mess. Look, it's everywhere on the floor.
Should we just put a towel there?
Now you done? Because after this you need to take a shower.
No. But Henry, who's son? more bubbles. Okay. Henry. Need some more bubbles.
Oh my god, it's coming out. It's coming out. It's coming out. It's coming out. Oh no, 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 no. How are you going to stop this now?
It's got.
No, it's not. There's nothing in there.
Henry, don't stop. Just stop, stop. I scratch myself. See it. This one. No. Henry, I eat this.
Henry's hungry.
Henry, stop. Henry made a big bubble before.
Oh no, don't. Just clean it. Just clean the Henry with this.
I want to do bubble bath.
Henry, clean the Henry with this.
That it is so come on. So this is the shower and
Pass me the shampoo. Let me put this in the bin first. Careful. Careful, don't drop outside. I don't want to get wet. Put the shampoo in the bin.
oh, this big mark.
No,
It's
it's
come
okay.
off tomorrow. It's fun, guys. So we clean Henry before we use it for water. You know this Henry, every time we use it, and he said, oh, Jibi, can you come and clean? But I can't go by, and I have to tell you, can I do it? And you let me do it, shut bubble bath. I've cleaned myself with bubble. Me, clean all these things. How should I clean it? With so, all the water goes in there. And it's all like scrubby. I know you'll be afraid of this YouTube channel.
I can hear the sound. What's the sound?
George!
It's George. It's always George.
Every time George is a bit fussy. Keep all the fussiness of water. It's fresh. Nice.
TV, what are you doing, TV? TV, excuse me, what are you doing?
Cleaning the Henry and
TV, Jibi, you don't need this soap. You've already got too much shampoo in there.
So I have to clean Henry properly, then it will smell so nice and fresh. Wow.
It smells so good in here.
This one Henry's been taking a big shot, and this. It could be a shock.
What is it? What is it? Shark?
Yeah. Stop making that face, mommy. I think so. It could be the water hose.
No, there's something in this. Guys, listen to this. Shh, stop making noise. Guys, can you hear it? It's shark. There's a shark in. Okay, I think we need to be quick. If the shark comes out of pipe, it will eat you, me, and Henry and Georgie. Come on.
Should we turn on
What?
the water?
No. We need to wash it and then just go leave the toilet. Quickly. What if it eats us?
Yeah, I was cautious.
Hmm?
It was the water, guys. I want to wash the room in my life. know. I think we're doing a lot shower in the face. That's why get my phone. You put this up in here. What's up there?
No. I'm going to leave this in. Hold on. Let me help you. Let's clean this all. Let me put towel on the floor.
Mommy. We are not done. We're not done, okay?
Now, once we're done, we can put
Wow.
our hands on this towel. What happened? Oh, wow! This is a Henry shower! Okay, be careful. Okay, I'm gonna help you, darling. Okay?
You do the scrub, I will do the water.
Hold it tightly.
Whoa.
Don't let it go. Hold it tightly.
Mommy, can't turn the water.
Okay.
Turn off, Mommy.
Yes.
You do the scrub.
No, I don't need to do scrub because there's a shampoo there. Give it to me. Let me help you. Turn the water on. No, turn the water on.
How does the water on turn this off?
Because there's a shark. Sharky.
I turn the water. What's the turn
Wait. I'll do it. Okay. Wait. Now this is done. Turn it on.
It's cold water. I need it cold. I need you guys. Mommy,
Okay.
how can I do
Okay, this is done. Now I need to lift. Oh, careful! Don't drop the water outside. Careful! You're getting me wet.
it?
You're getting me wet. Okay, we need to turn this off because Jibi getting me wet. This is done.
How did it
No,
come
this is
out?
done. This is done. Look.
But George is not done.
Now it's George's turn. George's turn. That's it. Okay, you need to be very careful with this.
No, I said cold water.
It needs to be warm water. It has to be warm water. Okay. Hold this tightly, darling. Hold it tightly. Hold on. Now wash it. Yeah. Now wash all the tires and all the pipes. Or pipes, whatever. Yeah. This is all done, guys. So this is all clean.
How about from inside? Do from
Yeah, I will do that. Yeah. We'll leave this to dry. And
Oh my God.
smells so good.
Why is
It's
it
nice and
leaking?
clean. What is leaking? Show me. It's okay. Just keep on cleaning. I don't want you to. Yeah, just be careful, okay? Oh, careful! Careful, Jibi, careful. Okay, I'm gonna clean this while you wash that, okay? I'll dry this up for you, darling. Okay, guys, so this is done. We'll leave this to dry, Jibi, okay? Okay, once you're done, then I'm just gonna put that one over here too, and then we'll give you a bubble bath. Yeah? Oh, be careful! Careful! Is it washed? Okay, hold on. Let me.
But this is not washed.
It's washed. Let's wash it from inside. Yeah.
Oh, cold water. Is it a Michelle? Oh, yeah. What else? Chillaxing. How chillaxing is it? You don't want to look my side, Mommy. Go. Guys.
Okay, now it's done. We need to close the taps. And that's it. It's done. Come on, you can get up now. You can get up now. Yeah? Yeah? You can get up now. Georgie, eat Jibi, Georgie, eat Jibi. Careful. Okay, now this is done, guys. We're gonna clean this a bit. Huh? While Jibi cleans everything in the bathtub. And I'm just gonna clean his Georgie. It smells so nice and it's so clean.
I do clean bath.
Yeah. Yes. So now I'm gonna let this dry and we're gonna give bath.
What happened here?
We're gonna give bath. We're gonna give bath to Jibi, Henry, and Georgie's taken bath already, and so did Henry. And now is Jibi's time.
Like, so like and subscribe to my channel. So like my channel. Hope you like my channel. Also, like my video again. Yeah. So, yeah. Then you have to like and subscribe already. So now I have to do my turn for bath. That's why I'm soaking wet.
Yeah, you are.
And then we'll have to put my clothes in.
Yeah, you have to wear new clothes and play with your Henrys. Meanwhile, they will get dried. Okay. So thank you for watching, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for the love and support. And we'll see you guys soon. What do you have to say, GB?
Like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Everybody. Bye, everyone.